log in to Windows Admin Center. From the drop-down list, select Cluster Manager. Click Add. Specify the cluster to be added to Windows Admin Center and enter the login credentials. Click Connect with Account. Click Add. Select the cluster. Click LXCA extension. Select Native OS Management. Click Take Me There and then OK to enable Native OS Management. On the Firmware Consistency section, click View Details. Click System Update. Select Update with Best Recipe and select a best recipe. You can click View the selected best recipe detail items to check the details, or click Refresh Best Recipe. Click the arrow icon to check the compliance result. It is only recommended that you update the items not in compliance. Click Next. On the Update selection page, select or deselect components to be updated. Expand the preview panel to remove any items you do not want to update. Click Next. Click Download to download update packages online. This may take several minutes to complete. Click Next. Select the cluster nodes and click Enable VM Migration. Click Next. Select the 3 servers and click Run As. Enter the OS login credentials. Click Submit to test the credentials. Click Next. Specify a job name and click Next. Click Submit and then Yes to submit the job for a system update. The system update process will begin. You can click the arrow icon to check the status of each server update.